Welcome to Global Defense Zone, the ultimate destination for in-depth analysis of the world's most formidable weapon systems, where we explore the power, strategy, and influence behind military technologies shaping global politics. Today, we turn our attention to one of Iran's most significant strategic assets, the Khorramshahr missile, a long-range ballistic missile that has not only redefined Tehran's military capabilities but also sent ripples across the geopolitical landscape of the Middle East and beyond. To fully grasp the importance of Khorramshahr, we must first understand the historical context of Iran's missile development program. Following the Iran-Iraq War in the 1980s, Iran recognized the necessity of self-reliance in defense technology, particularly in missile development, as a means of deterrence against both regional adversaries and global powers with a presence in the Middle East. Over decades, Iran invested heavily in research and development, moving from short-range missiles like the Fateh series to medium-range and eventually long-range systems, culminating in the creation of Khorramshahr. The missile is named after the city of Khorramshahr, which holds immense symbolic significance in Iranian history for its heroic resistance during the Iran-Iraq War, emphasizing both national pride and strategic messaging to adversaries. Technically, the Khorramshahr missile represents a significant leap in Iran's ballistic missile technology. With an estimated range of 1,000 to 2,000 kilometers, depending on its configuration and payload, it is capable of striking deep into the territories of regional adversaries such as Israel and U.S. bases stationed in the Gulf and surrounding regions. The missile can carry a warhead, wage complex weapons systems, and maintain operational readiness in a region fraught with tension. From a geopolitical standpoint, the Khorramshahr missile serves as a powerful tool of deterrence and projection of power. Its range and payload capacity send a clear message to the United States, Israel, and NATO allies that Iran possesses the capability to retaliate against attacks or assert influence over the region. The missile has been showcased during military parades and tests, often accompanied by statements from Iranian leadership highlighting self-defense and sovereignty, further amplifying its strategic symbolism. In the broader Middle Eastern context, the missile shifts the balance of power, influencing the defense calculations of countries like Saudi Arabia, the United Arab Emirates, and Israel, compelling them to invest in missile defense systems and strategic alliances to mitigate the potential threat. Globally, the development of Khorramshahr contributes to the complex dynamics of missile proliferation and regional security, drawing international attention and scrutiny, particularly from the United States, which closely monitors Iran's ballistic missile advancements as part of its broader strategy to prevent escalation in the region. Beyond its military and strategic aspects, the Khorramshahr missile is also a testament to Iran's growing domestic technological capability, reflecting decades of investment in research and engineering, and an ability to overcome international sanctions and technological barriers to develop indigenous long-range missile systems. For analysts, the missile represents not just a weapon but a symbol of Iran's resolve to establish itself as a regional power capable of influencing global strategic calculations. The combination of its technical sophistication, symbolic significance, and operational readiness makes Khorramshahr one of the most closely watched missiles in the world today. In addition to its deterrent role, the missile's development has implications for international arms control and non-proliferation regimes, as its potential to carry a variety of warheads places it at the center of discussions regarding regional stability, escalation risks, and the global response to missile proliferation. By investing in Khorramshahr, Iran not only enhances its own security but also strategically positions itself to influence negotiations, project power, and maintain a credible threat that shapes the behavior of other states in the Middle East and beyond. As we analyze its broader impact, it becomes clear that Khorramshahr is more than a weapon. It is a strategic instrument of influence, a marker of technological ambition, and a central piece in the puzzle of regional and global power dynamics. It underscores the lengths to which nations will go to secure their interests, deter adversaries, and assert sovereignty in a world where military capability remains a decisive factor. Understanding Khorramshahr requires recognizing the delicate interplay between technical engineering, strategic foresight, and geopolitical maneuvering. Every test launch, every parade display, and every statement by Iranian officials regarding this missile is designed to send a calculated message, making it an instrument not just of military might but also of psychological and diplomatic signaling. For viewers and defense enthusiasts, Examining Khorramshahr offers insight into how modern ballistic missile technology is developed, maintained, and employed within complex strategic contexts. The missile exemplifies a balance between engineering ingenuity, strategic deterrence, and political messaging, providing a comprehensive case study of how mid-sized powers like Iran leverage technology to influence regional and global security architectures. As we conclude this deep dive, it is important to remember that understanding weapons like Khorramshahr is crucial not just for military analysts but for anyone seeking to comprehend the evolving nature of international relations, where technology, strategy, and politics intersect in profoundly consequential ways. If you found this analysis insightful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Global Defense Zone, and share it with fellow defense enthusiasts, so together we can explore the most powerful and strategically significant weapons shaping our world today.